Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max stuck at hello screen. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max here and it's just stuck on the hello screen, there is one thing that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So in this case, if it's stuck in the home screen, you need to do a forced restart. So this is not the ordinary restart that we do, so it's a forced restart. So how do we exactly do that? So we are referring to the official webpage here directly from Apple themselves. So this is how you force restart your iPhone. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to press and release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button here, and you want to press and hold the side button. Now, when the Apple logo actually appears on your screen here, you want to release the side button. Now, in this case, this will actually restart your iPhone. Now, in this case, if this doesn't solve anything for you, the problem itself might be something inside your iPhone itself. So something might have melted, or if it has some form of damage inside. So it's best to contact iPhone support here and get it fixed. But if you're having problems here, the first thing you want to do is you want to force restart it. But if that doesn't work, it means the iPhone might be encountering some major issue inside it. But yeah, so in this case, that's the thing that we could do here, but in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.